Welcome to Getting Sexy Back with your host, Anna. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. In this episode, we're diving deep into the world of chia seeds, exploring their powerful health benefits, and uncovering how these tiny superfoods can help you reclaim your health and vitality. Stick around as we reveal some exciting and transformative ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Let's get started and get our sexy back. Did you know that chia seeds can hold up to 12 times their weight in water? This unique ability makes them an excellent source of hydration and helps you feel full longer. Chia seeds are a powerful superfood that has been cherished since ancient times. Packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, these tiny seeds offer numerous health benefits. They were a staple food for ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans, who relied on them for sustained energy and physical endurance. Today, we understand the science behind their incredible benefits, making chia seeds a fantastic addition to any modern diet. If you're loving our content and don't want to miss out on any of our episodes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And for exclusive updates and behind-the-scenes content, scan the QR code on your screen right now. In today's fast-paced world, heart disease, diabetes, and obesity are becoming increasingly prevalent. The good news is that chia seeds can play a significant role in addressing these common health challenges. One of the key attributes of chia seeds is their ability to promote satiety, which means they help you feel full longer. This can be a game changer for those struggling with weight management, as it naturally reduces calorie intake without the need for restrictive dieting. Moreover, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, both of which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of many diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. By reducing inflammation, chia seeds contribute to better heart health and can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Additionally, the high fiber content in chia seeds aids in lowering LDL or bad cholesterol while boosting HDL or good cholesterol levels. This dual action helps improve overall cardiovascular health, making chia seeds an excellent addition to a heart-healthy diet. With their multitude of benefits, these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Let's take a closer look at the incredible nutritional profile of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function and heart health. Unlike most plant-based foods, chia seeds boast a type of omega-3 known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is linked to decreased heart disease risk. Next, we have fiber. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides nearly 10 grams of dietary fiber. This high fiber content helps regulate digestion, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and even manage blood sugar spikes, making them a boon for those with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, chia seeds are a powerhouse of essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support bone health and muscle function. Love what you see? Subscribe to Getting Sexy Back and scan the QR code to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks for a healthier, sexier you. The calcium content is particularly notable, offering more per gram than many dairy products, making chia seeds a fantastic alternative for those intolerant to lactose. But that's not all. Chia seeds also pack a punch with antioxidants, which combat inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. Incorporating these seeds into your diet can significantly boost your overall wellness, aiding in everything from improved digestion to heightened cardiovascular health. When it comes to transformative effects, chia seeds truly shine. Various studies have shown that incorporating chia seeds into your diet can significantly aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This is because chia seeds form a gel-like substance in your stomach, which helps you feel satisfied for longer periods. Join our community of fitness enthusiasts by subscribing to Getting Sexy Back. Scan the QR code to access special content and be the first to know when a new episode drops. Moreover, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved mental clarity and reduced levels of anxiety and depression. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular consumption of chia seeds can also lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, thanks to their high fiber and antioxidant content. The antioxidants present in chia seeds help combat inflammation and protect against chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. One testimonial from an ultramarathoner even credits chia seeds for enhanced stamina and day-to-day energy levels. It's not just the science. Real people have seen substantial improvements in their health and well-being by adding these tiny seeds to their daily routine. With their incredible nutrient profile and life-changing benefits, chia seeds can truly be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their overall health. Stay in the loop with all things fitness, nutrition, and wellness by subscribing to Getting Sexy Back. Don't forget to scan our QR code to get instant notifications and never miss another episode. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into smoothies or soups, or make delicious chia puddings. The options are endless. Chia water, chia truffles, and even baked goods like muffins and bread can become nutrient-packed with just a tablespoon of these tiny seeds. All it takes is a bit of creativity, and you'll be well on your way to reaping the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. To wrap up, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can help you combat various health issues while providing essential nutrients. Make them a part of your daily diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for tuning into Getting Sexy Back. If you've tried chia seeds and noticed a difference, please share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Keep taking care of your health and getting your sexy back.